What's up YouTube? So in this video I'm going to share 10 awesome things that you can try out with the S Pen of your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Starting off with the number one thing, you can customize your S Pen pointer. For that, download the Good Lock app. And in makeup section, download Pentastic. Once downloaded, just open it. Here first you can change the pointer style. For example, you can choose this. You can use a heart or different characters, and you can also use a custom image like I have selected here, this mouse. You can make it bigger or smaller in size using this slider. Next in this app you can change S Pen sound when you take it out. Plus you can also change the style of S Pen menu. We have line, circle and a retro one that reminds me of Galaxy Note 3 or Note 4 days. Next you can write on calendar using S Pen. In calendar app, just tap here to start writing. And you can also zoom in so you can get more space to write on. So let's write something. Here we go. Now if you want to erase something, just tap here and it will do the job. But if you want to edit this text, you can use the selection tool. Here we have lasso and rectangle. I mostly use the lasso one. So drawing around the text, it is easily selected. You can now move it and resize it. Next cool thing that I want to share is that you can watch a video and take notes at the same time. For example, I'm in the YouTube app. So while seeing a video, I want to take some notes. I will press the button and tap twice here. This will open my notes taking app. And now I can write anything here. You can resize this window. But if you want to read few comments while watching video and taking notes, you can make this window transparent. For that, tap here on this blue line and choose this third option. Adjust this slider according to your choice and that's it. So now you can take notes, watch the video and read comments at the same time. And once again, this is really cool. Check it out and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Galaxy S24 has some awesome AI capabilities and they are now also available in Samsung Notes. For example, here I have some handwritten notes. Now I can convert them into text that I can copy later on. For this, just select your handwritten notes. As you can see, I am selecting the notes that I want to convert. Now you have to tap on this keyboard icon. Here you will see Galaxy AI option. Just choose it and now tap on auto format and choose meeting notes. Galaxy AI will convert your notes into text and it will also organize that into headings and bullet points. This is one awesome feature in Samsung Notes that was not available before, so check it out. Next you can pin anything or any note to your home screen. For example, I'm on this website and I want to copy some information. I will tap here and choose Smart Select. Now just select the portion that you want to save. First you can extract the text from this note by tapping here. Now you can add this to your notes or you can just copy this text. But I will pin this image to my home screen. Now it is pinned and you can move it around. And if you are a bit distracted from this image, you can simply make it as a small icon by tapping on these two arrows. Once your job is done, you can just delete it. You can take any note without even opening Notes app or unlocking your phone. For this, just take out your S Pen and while pressing this button, tap on screen. Now you can take your desired note and just pin it to your always on display mode by tapping here. Now this is the AOD mode I have on my S24's lock screen. And to remove it, just tap here. Next, if you are browsing the web and you want to take some notes, just press your S Pen and tap twice. A Samsung Notes window will be here. Now you have to tap here on this blue strip and choose this icon. So now we have this multi window opened up for Samsung Notes. You can browse the web and take notes at the same time and they will be saved in your Samsung Notes app. PenUp is a fantastic app if you like to draw a lot, and most of the people think it's just another color book app, but it is way more capable than you think. For example, in PenUp app, tap here on photo drawing. Select any image from gallery. So I'll be choosing this one. First, you can make a sketch of it using a filter like this, and then you can color it later on. But you can also make your own sketch of that image. For example, I have this image, and now I will tap on done. So here you can just draw over this image, and once completed, you can hide this first layer. Plus you can add more layers by tapping here. Check it out, this is one awesome app that a lot of people don't know about. So these were some cool things that you can try out with S Pen on your Galaxy S24 Ultra. Make sure to subscribe as I'll be posting more S24 content soon. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.